Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My cell number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you a 2014 3124 Bay Star by Newmar. Great company, great coach. It's an opportunity to save some money. This is a slightly used coach that's going to bring you lots of years of service. Let's go inside and take a look around. Bedroom's nice here. We got a nice king size bed. Windows on both sides of the bed so you get nice airflow at night. Big window in the back. Excellent coach. This coach is built like on 6-inch centers, hung wall just like a home. 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor. One of the best insulated coaches on the market. I can't say enough nice things about Newmar. What a great company. Over here we've got a short cupboard right here. Here's where we keep our DVD player. Sony TV, 6 drawers here, storage under the bed. Right there. Another closet here. Got all your information, your manuals and things like that in the closet. As we move into the kitchen, first of all, here's the privacy door for the bedroom. Big storage area here. This can be either a part where you put your sweatshirts and things like that. Over here you've got pantry with slide drawers, which is really nice. All on stainless steel ball bearings. You got storage underneath the dinette on both sides. Big window right there. As you cross the hall here is the restroom, the bathroom with the shower, dinette. Those rounded showers give you plenty of elbow room. These are really quiet coaches, all that extra insulation. It's going to keep you warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Here's our good sized refrigerator right here across from the dinette. Freezer up above. As we go into the living area, you've got a nice couch here that turns into a bed. Stainless steel double sink, 3-burner stove, microwave convection oven, so if you wanted to cook a chicken or biscuits or whatever, it'll do it. If you want an oven, we can always put one in here, but you're going to lose these 2 drawers. Okay, as we move into the cockpit, auto leveling, cruise control, you've got generator, push button start generator. You've got your backup camera, side cameras, stereo system. Both these front seats turn around. Here's your control center right here. Turn off and on all electricity of the coach. You've got slide out controls up here, awning, the whole bit. So let's go outside and take a look around. Full body paint on this coach, and Newmar does a great job painting their coaches. Right here you've got storage that goes all the way across. There's a water tank, but gives you still a little bit of storage. You can put something in there. More storage. And you've got a Onan 5500 generator on this coach. Plenty of power. Newmar, when they build these, their slides fit flush into the wall here. We got a little moth right there. Flush right into the wall, so when you're driving down the road, the water's going over the top. When the coach is being stored, if it's outside, these rubber gaskets are not exposed to the sun, and that's important because that'll make them last longer. You can see up here on the top of the awning, that there is a shield that protects the awning from the sun. And same thing on the topper. When it's all rolled up, it's not being out in the direct sunlight. More storage here, goes all the way across. And same thing here. Plenty of storage in this unit. 5,000 pound tow capacity. Here's your backup camera. Here's your ladder for getting up there and checking your seals every once in a while. You can see right here, Newmar's the first company to put a slide in a motorhome. Look at that. That's a big old chunk of steel right there. These things are built to last. Hopefully have no repairs on this, but you never know what's going to happen. But I'll tell you, Newmars are more reliable than just about anything out there. So I highly recommend the Newmar products. There's your electrical cord. Obviously all this stuff you want to do before you put your slides out. More storage there. And storage there. Here's your outdoor shower. And your sewer, outdoor shower and Santa flush. Always nice to have that flush so you can wash out the black tank. Here's a spot for your sewer hose and for your drain in your black tank to clean those out. More storage there. More storage there. And there's your propane tank, great big one. Making old man work here. Okay, big mirrors, side cameras, a couple batteries for easy access. Take care of your batteries for your chassis and for the house. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach at Guarantee, please give the coach a call. Have a wonderful day.